皆さんこんにちは。Welcome to my Japanese numbers lesson series. This is the lesson to master the two-digit numbers. So now let's get started. Now, let's look at the number 11 to 19 first. Now, let's start the number 11. The tens position of 11 is 10. So in Japanese, 10. One's position is 1. So in Japanese, 1. So 11 is translated as 11. Now, the same basic pattern applies to the expressing other numbers in Japanese as well. So let's see the rest. Number 12. 10 plus 2. So number 12 is 12. Number 13. 10 plus 3. 13. Number 14. 10 plus 4. 14 or 14. Number 15. 10 plus 5. 15. Number 16. 10 plus 6. 16. Number 17. 10 plus 7. 17 or 17. Number 18. 10 plus 8. 18. Number 19. 10 plus 9. 19 or 19. Now let's practice one more time. 11. 12. 13. 14 or 14. 15. 16. 17 or 17. 18. 19 or 19. Now let's see the number from 20 to 90. Number 20. Number 20 is 2 times 10. In Japanese, 2 times 10. So it's pronounced 20. 20. Let's see the next one. Number 30. 3 times 10. So 30 is 30. Number 40. 4 times 10. 40. Or 4 times 10. 40. Number 50. 5 times 10. 50. Number 60. 6 times 10. 60. Number 70. 7 times 10. 70. Or 7 times 10. 70. Number 80. 8 times 10. 80. Number 90. 9 times 10. 90. Now practice more two-digit numbers. Now we have 23. So 20 is 2 times 10. And 3 is 3. So it's pronounced 23. We have 56. 50 is 5 times 10 plus 6. So 56 is 56. The number 92. 92 is 9 times 10 plus 2. 92 is 92. Now let's practice more two-digit numbers. 38. 3 times 10 plus 8. 38 is 38. 65. 6 times 10 plus 5. 65. 47. 4 times 10 plus 7. 47. 81. 8 times 10 plus 1. 81.53. 62. 18. 87. 25. 38、76、94、41、28、